everyone! Are you ready for some fun? Today, we're going to draw rainbow earrings. Grab your pencils and follow along with me, step by step. Super easy and super fun. Let's go! Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, my friend.
Row, row.